So previously we learned how to draw a certain shape, have eyes, mouth, and then we can trick it. Okay? Let's start with the eye. So for example, we can draw a circle. We can draw a circle. Okay, we got eyes. And then just 2 lines. Okay? Pretty simple one. Okay? And you can use whatever shape. You not only the circular shape, you can use triangular shape. Then you know what? It can also be an eye. But my recommendation is, through all this shape, you can use this shape as well. Okay? Doesn't really matter, but I prefer to have some sort of a oval shape, elliptical shape, because that's the typical eye that sort of ingrained into our brain that this is the eye. Okay? And then in order to say, well, this is the eyes, add a tiny little bit eyebrow also helps to trick the mind. Okay? But that's the first step. You can draw the basic shape, then you can draw the expression. Okay? How to do the expression? Let me make myself a little bit smaller. I'm going to just add another layer. Nothing too fancy. If you don't know what I'm doing, doesn't really matter. Okay? You just add another layer. What I want to do is to showcase how the position, relative position, matters. Even though I'm not using any of the technique, I just change the position. That do matter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to draw a circle shape here and circle shape here. Okay? Instantly, everything changed. Okay? That become a expression contained eyes. Okay? And remember, we talk about a lot of shape. You can just draw any shape, gooey shape, whatever shape. You just put it round. Not necessarily need to use anatomy, not necessarily need to make any sense. You put it here, you draw anything, you doodle it on your book, it becomes something like this. Okay? Add a mouse. You can start your career. Okay? Add a little bit of color. You can use like color drupal tool, whatever. Okay? You can just add a little bit of color, or let's just not get ahead of ourselves. You can just do something like this, then you can start draw. But that's not what we want to talk about. We want to talk about the relative position of just the center of the eyes relatively to the eye socket. And that can completely change the thing. Okay? Let's continue.